Welcome back to another video. I started the front end, got this done, started here. Need to weld another piece going up here, get the same shape as here, probably add supports. This is the next day, got these two pieces cut for the front end. Ooh, a little bit hot. It's gonna go like that. I know that one fell. We gotta start cutting this, clear it out, that's where we're sitting. Goes back here, so we can start making a frame. So I ran out of pieces that are about that long. Cut two of them to size. Gonna weld them together, see if that works for the other side. So I got both pieces. That one actually worked, where I welded in the middle. Sometime I'm probably gonna paint this whole thing. Let me know what color. So I cut the back end so I can start framing. I'm holding a light. Framing right where that metal bar is to probably down here for the seat. Then I'll start cutting this end right around here. The hood's gonna wait until we get the engine. Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you guys wanna support this build, link in bio. Anything helps.